Hi, this is the Galaxy A05S and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So we should first open the Play Store and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. Now we should get this application, so tap the install button and just wait a couple of seconds. After the installing, we should just tap the open button to open the app and click to enable in settings near green Apple keyboard, click on the swatcher, click to OK twice and go back. Tap the switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's just check new keyboard look, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.